family and children will have no more money to eat, to drink water at least, to drink milk at least. We have no more words to describe our situation. No more glossary words. Tell me, what is the definition of being a refugee? What is it? A refugee is to be treated underground, to be sitting on the street. This is the message of a refugee.
There needs to be a solution for these people over here. They need to have proper care and proper reception. And this is why we are calling on Hungary to provide people a fair access to asylum, and there should be proper reception for these people. And also, it's also a European responsibility. I mean, there needs to be a way where some of the refugees are relocated to other European countries on equal basis. No one country should be left to deal with the refugee issue all by itself.